Hi everybody. I want to go over the week 11 assignments to give you a better idea of what you are to do. So for week 11, the first thing you want to think about is looking at the feedback that I will give you on your Unit 3 argumentative essay outline. It may take me a few days to get those graded, so just be patient. But when you see that it is graded, please make sure you go in and look at the PDF link so that you can see my feedback. That will be very, very important for you to do. So that's a major item that you need to do. Once you have done that, you are going to begin to write your final essay. This is your summative paper in English 102 because Unit 4 will simply be converting this essay into a speech. So this is your final writing assignment and you want to make sure you do a good job. In the homework assignments for week 11, there are links to two very important documents. One is the sample research paper. So you're going to want to look at that, see how it's formatted. Notice, of course, it's on a different topic than yours, but notice how the introduction goes, notice the headings, notice how things are cited, because these are all good models for you as you go from your outline into your final paper. So take a look at that research sample paper. Especially look at the references at the end. I expect everyone to have the hanging indent, alphabetize your sources, put them in alphabetical order, etc. The other item you'll want to look at as you're beginning to write your paper is the rubric. This is how you will be graded. And this paper is 250 points. It's 25% of your grade. So you want to make sure that you are doing all of the things that are mentioned here in the rubric. So use those two items to help you as you begin to convert your outline into finished paragraphs. There's another link here to some reading materials on paraphrasing that may be helpful to you as well. So you're going to start writing your essay. You have a couple of weeks to do this. The final paper is due no later than November 20. So you have lots of time, but don't procrastinate. Get started now. All right, and then the last thing you need to do this week is to sign up for your Unit 3 progress check. In the assignment, it mentions several options, but for us, this must be a Zoom meeting between me and you. So you will simply sign up this week for your appointment. This meeting is worth 50 points, but if you don't sign up for a meeting within the allotted time frame, you will not be able to get your 50 points. So make sure that you choose a time that suits you, that you can be sure you can be available for. There's a link here to the sign-up sheet. And these conferences will take place not this week, but next week. So either Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday of next week is when you will need to sign up for your conference. I have given you quite a few choices for your time slot. They're 15-minute time slots. So pick one that works for you. If none of them work for you, then please email me to set up a time that is convenient for both of us, and we will work that out. Otherwise, just place your name on the slot where you want to meet. Please do not add any times. Do not move or remove any other students' names. Be respectful of this Google Doc. All right, and so you're just signing up for the conference. When we do meet at the conference, you will need to share your screen. So make sure that you have access to a computer where you can share that screen and not just meet with me on your phone. Once I see that you have signed up, I will send you your personal Zoom link for that meeting. and then you'll use that to join me for that conference. That's it. So nothing is due this week. You're simply beginning to write up your paper and deciding when you want to meet with me to discuss your progress on this very important paper. If you have any questions, let me know. Best wishes.